Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Thank you very much. What is up? How are you? Let me check if I have some super glue. Where's I? Where are you? Going. Remove this. This is. Cut this. Can't do nothing. Gotta remove all. Will this still work? That's the huge question. I mean, it could. Once I set up all the fucking thing, like those, once I set it up, put it on the gun again, set it up, technically, it should not come off. By keeping it tight, that means it sticks. By using this, right, cutting off the excess and stuff like that, it makes sure it does not wobble, because I know this one has issues. I'm gonna have to tighten both. Tighten it right now. Okay. Why so fast? Let me go get the hammer. Once I get the hammer, I want every one of these to be really tight. I gotta be more sparingly. Now, what we do is, now turn this off to make sure it doesn't turn on anymore. Hammer in the ones. Now, here's what we're about to do. We're about to cut off the excess. If I staple every side, nope, right here. Always check your corners. The ones that are super loose. Okay, I'm making a roll every inch. Every 3, hit it. Bottom to the top. So the top, hit them all on the top. And go all the way to the bottom. Where's the hammer? Oh, there's the hammer. Hammer boy. Actually, let's put it up. And put it on the inside. So if an animal tries to climb, they'll get hit by a Pokemon to tell them, oh, get the fuck off. No, I flip it and do the other side. Or is it? Oh, it's right there. Boom. Let's say each pinky finger length, I hit it. Each pinky finger length. I hit one right here. I did. Then the pinky finger length, hit it. I did it. I straightened it out. It was a little elevated. I want to check something. Put the safety on. Like when I put like this is not gonna cover, but when I put the new set and new of them over here, I'm gonna hit it. Let's see. This is the first set. I need to cut off a little more. I mean, this is gonna go on the bottom from the inside. Looks like a shark. This needs to be up here. If I put it on the inside, no, it has to be on the outside. That's one spool done. Okay, next. I'm about to. Let me switch her out anyway. Safety. 1 second, wiping this off my body. Missed a spot. Did I miss a spot? Oh, I missed a huge spot. There should be another small one. I put it over here. Let me see something. The next one, I'm gonna start from the bottom here. then go to the top. Then I'm gonna make sure when I do this one, first of all I seal this one. Actually, I should do it from, hit this one, do it from here to here. So from here, go here. Then do this one a couple. Do about 3, 4 here, so it won't move. So no matter what, it cannot move. Time to cut. Time to cut. Here comes the fun part. Let me see. Oh, that's perfect. Of course, it's not stable. See, it's not moving anymore. Now, since this is done, where's the dinner feast? That's, yep, and I am done streaming for the day. We completed one.